Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss about air filters and air filters only, so stay tuned. Hold on. Let's rewind that. Before I show you how to take it out, let's talk about air filters, sport air filters, and why I choose to put a K&N. So, hold on a second. Let's discuss a bit about air filters. When it comes about air filters, you have a few options on the market. Basically, you have the original paper cartridge, yeah. And you have some sport ones like this one that I have over here. Yeah, the main difference between them is this one is a paper cartridge, yeah, and this lets a certain amount of air into the engine. This one over here, this one it's a cotton one, so basically this lets a different amount of air into the engine. This one it's a sport engine, this one lets a bit more air into. And you have a bit of an advantage with this one in terms of, like, according with the K&N website, it will increase your acceleration and your horsepower. Maybe not, we'll see. I don't know if in a machine like this that I have will make such a big difference, but the main advantage of this sports air filter like K&N filter is that this will last for 50,000 miles according with the website, according with K&N manufacturer. So basically what you need to do with this one is every 10,000 miles, yeah, you take it out and you rinse it. Make sure that you rinse it under the tap in the same direction with the airflow. So bear in mind when you take it out, just remember how was it and rinse it in that direction. So if the air goes like this, make sure that the water is going to flow like this. So every 10,000 miles you rinse it, and if you go online on their own website, you're going to get like a spray with some fine oil, because this is a wet air filter. So basically that cotton, that pink cotton over there, has like a little clear film of oil on it, so you need to do that after you wash it. And just to show you a bit, this is the paper one, yeah. This, according with the BMW manufacturer, you have to change it every 12,000 miles. So look at that, it's all full of like dirt and all that. So basically, if you have a K&N, you change it every 50,000 miles, this one every 12,000 miles. If you do a bit of maths, the life span of a K&N is 4 times or 5 times maybe. It depends where you're riding. If you ride like in really dusty conditions and all that, this will not last for 12,000 miles. Plain simple. This one, I wouldn't say about this one. I wouldn't ride in dusty conditions with this one, because this obviously lets a bit more air into the engine. The engine breathes a bit more easily, but leaving a bit more air, that means it's not so dense like a paper cartridge, so it's gonna let a bit more dust and all that in. So anyway, let's go back to the fitting. Right, in order to remove the air filter, you need first to remove the seat, obviously, because you have 2 screws over here, one there and one there, that you need to get to it, yeah. So you undo these 2 screws first, then you move on top. Right here underneath this hatch you have another 2 screws. I already removed them, yeah. Then I'm gonna go in front of the bike and I'm gonna show you that one. Yeah, so you have another one there, yeah, over there somewhere, right, and another one over there. Right, pretty much that's it on the fairing. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to remove here, and then all this bit of plastic is going to come off. Right, underneath this one right here you have another 4 screws, right, and that will be the cover of the air filter. So here you go, guys, this is your original OM air filter. You take this one out, basically has a crate that sits around it, yeah, so this one, make sure that you put this one back. You put this one on the side, yeah, then you take this one out, right, you take the new one, you put this one back. It has like a one-way sitting position, so basically you can't mess it around, you can't put it upside down or something like that. It only goes in one position. Then you put the crate back. This is very important, has to go back over there, right, like that. So this one again, it only goes in one position, and then you put the cover, and on top of the cover we're going to put something very, very important for this type of air filters. You might not notice it when you open the package, but that's a very important thing, and I'm gonna tell you in a second why. Now, on your box, on your pack, when you receive your K&N filter, like among other things, among other stickers and all that, you're gonna receive this, and this is very important. Yeah, this is absolutely crucial to stick it on top of the lid, on top of the airbox cover, because if somebody else is gonna service your bike and he doesn't realize that you have like a long life air filter, he might chuck this one out and replace it with a cheaper paper cartridge one, and you don't want that, because you already invest some money in it, and you know, you don't want your air filter to be chucked away, basically. So don't forget to put this one on. This is very important, right? Right, guys, that's it. You've seen how it's done. Very quick, very easy. Put the filter back, put the cover on. Don't forget to put your sticker on, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and you know the drill. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, consider subscribe. And a bit of an inside, if you've seen my previous video going camping trip in France with Oti, you know, the one that we went on a boulangerie Sunday morning, stay tuned. Saturday we're going again. It's bank holiday, and we're going with a bigger crew, and we're gonna stay a few more days, like not like last time we stay only from Saturday to Sunday, and we're gonna do another video going camping in France. So until next time, peace. I just brought the air filter.